Adventure motorcycles are designed to take you far beyond the edge of the pavement. They're built to cross continents, tackle deserts, and handle city traffic with the same confidence. But among the growing crowd of big adventure machines, two names constantly stand out: the Ducati Desert X and the Honda Africa Twin. Both are premium adventure bikes, yet they represent two very different philosophies. The Desert X is Ducati's pure off-road rally-inspired machine, while the Africa Twin carries decades of reliability and adventure heritage. In this detailed comparison, we'll explore their design, engine performance, ride quality, comfort, electronics, maintenance, and value, and finally, help you decide which one deserves a spot in your garage.
Design and ergonomics. The Ducati Desert X looks like it was lifted straight from the Dakar Rally. Its twin circular LED headlights, narrow rally-style fairing, and tall stance create a raw, aggressive aesthetic. Every angle seems purpose-built for adventure. The design pays homage to Ducati's old rally bikes, yet feels futuristic and refined. The bodywork is minimalist, emphasizing the bike's off-road intent. Ground clearance is high, the seat is tall, and the long travel suspension gives it a commanding presence. On the other side, the Honda Africa Twin takes a more mature and practical approach. It looks solid, muscular, and capable. The proportions are well balanced, with a wide tank and a front fairing that blends aerodynamics and protection. While the design doesn't shout for attention, it has a quiet confidence that reflects Honda's adventure philosophy: go anywhere, reliably, and in comfort. In terms of ergonomics, both bikes provide upright, commanding riding positions with wide handlebars that give excellent leverage off-road. The Desert X has an 875mm seat height, which may challenge shorter riders, while the Africa Twin offers an adjustable seat ranging from 850 to 870mm, making it slightly more accessible. The Honda seat is also broader and more cushioned, making it more comfortable over long hours. The Desert X's narrower body and slimmer seat, however, make it easier to move around when standing on the pegs, a big plus for aggressive off-road riding. Engine and performance. The Ducati Desert X is powered by the 937 cubic centimeter Testastrada 11-degree L-twin engine. It produces around 110 horsepower at 9,250 RPM and 92 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. Ducati tuned this engine specifically for off-road and adventure use. Power delivery is smooth but immediate, and the bike loves to rev. The lightweight chassis and engine combination give it an excellent power-to-weight ratio, making it feel lively both on dirt and on twisty tarmac. In comparison, the Honda Africa Twin uses a larger 1,084 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that makes about 101 horsepower and 105 Newton-meters of torque. The difference may look small on paper, but in practice, the Honda's motor feels more relaxed and tractable. It's tuned for broad mid-range torque rather than peak horsepower. The throttle response is gentle, the vibrations are well controlled, and the engine is willing to chug along at low speeds without complaint. One of the biggest differences comes from the transmission. Honda offers both a 6-speed manual gearbox and its advanced dual-clutch transmission, or DCT. The DCT allows fully automatic or semi-automatic shifting, and once you get used to it, it's incredibly convenient for long rides in city traffic. Ducati sticks to a traditional 6-speed gearbox but adds a bi-directional quick shifter, giving you rapid, clutchless gear changes that feel sporty and refined. Overall, the Desert X feels lighter, faster, and more thrilling. The Africa Twin feels steadier, more composed, and easier to manage in the long run. Ride quality and handling. The Ducati Desert X stands out immediately with its off-road geometry. It rides on a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel setup, the same configuration used on serious dirt bikes. Fully adjustable KYB suspension with over 230mm of travel at the front and 220mm at the rear allows the bike to absorb big bumps and rough terrain effortlessly. On gravel or sand, the Desert X feels stable and confident, yet its lightweight frame makes it agile when the trail tightens up. On tarmac, it maintains Ducati's reputation for sharp handling and precision steering, though the off-road tires can slightly reduce cornering feedback. The African Twin takes a different approach. It's a heavier motorcycle, with a curb weight of around 238 kilograms for the manual version and about 248 kilograms for the DCT. But Honda engineers have balanced it beautifully. The 21-inch front wheel and Showa suspension provide a plush ride, soaking up rough roads and potholes with ease. While it doesn't flick through corners as quickly as the Ducati, it feels incredibly planted and stable, especially on long highway rides. Off-road, it's capable and predictable, with a smooth throttle response that helps maintain traction in tricky conditions. If your adventures involve more aggressive off-road riding, the Desert X gives you a sportier, more focused experience. If you spend more time on the road or cover long distances across mixed terrain, the African Twin offers better comfort and control.
Comfort and touring ability. The Africa Twin is designed with long-distance comfort in mind. The windscreen is adjustable and provides excellent wind protection. The seat is wide and supportive, and the suspension feels soft enough to handle long stretches without fatigue. Vibration levels are minimal thanks to Honda's refined engine balance. You can ride this bike for an entire day without feeling sore or cramped. The Desert X, while still comfortable, leans more toward a rally-style setup. The seat is narrower and firmer, and the wind protection is minimal due to the slim fairing. At highway speeds, taller riders may experience more wind buffeting. However, Ducati offers optional taller windscreens, luggage systems, and even heated grips to improve touring comfort. The riding triangle, that's the relationship between the seat, bars, and pegs, is well suited for both seated and standing positions, making it versatile for both road and trail. Fuel capacity also plays a role in touring ability. The Desert X comes with a 21-liter main tank, and Ducati offers an optional 8-liter auxiliary rear tank that extends its range dramatically, potentially over 500 kilometers between stops. The Africa Twin carries 18.8 liters of fuel, offering around 400 kilometers of range depending on conditions. Both are excellent for long expeditions, but the Ducati's optional rear tank gives it an edge for remote adventures.
Electronics and technology. The Ducati Desert X features 6 riding modes, including Enduro and Rally modes designed specifically for off-road riding. It offers cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and engine brake control, all adjustable to suit the terrain and your skill level. The 5-inch vertical TFT display is clear, easy to read, and shows everything from trip data to lean angle. It also includes smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and a bidirectional quick shifter as standard on most trims. The Honda Africa Twin counters with its own impressive tech suite. It features 4 preset riding modes and 2 customizable user modes. Traction control and wheelie control can be fine-tuned, and the bike comes with cornering ABS and cruise control. The highlight is its large 6.5-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, something you won't find on the Ducati. For touring riders, this feature alone makes daily riding far more convenient, allowing easy access to maps, music, and calls. Both systems work well, but they cater to different personalities. Ducati's system feels sporty and race-inspired, while Honda's feels functional and intuitive. Reliability, maintenance, and ownership experience. Honda has long been recognized for building some of the most reliable motorcycles in the world, and the Africa Twin is no exception. The engine is known for its durability even under extreme conditions. Maintenance intervals are long, with valve inspections every 24,000 kilometers, and parts availability is excellent in most countries. Combined with Honda's global service network, the Africa Twin is a bike you can truly take around the world with confidence. Ducati has worked hard to improve its reliability image over the past decade, and the Desert X benefits from those improvements. The Testastrada engine has proven solid and dependable in other Ducati models. Oil changes are required every 15,000 kilometers, and valve checks every 30,000 kilometers, which is reasonable. However, Ducati's servicing and parts can be more expensive, and the dealership network is smaller compared to Honda's global reach. In terms of ownership cost, the Africa Twin is the more affordable bike to buy and maintain. The Desert X costs more upfront and may require slightly higher upkeep, but it offers more premium performance components for the price.
When you step back and look at the big picture, both the Ducati Desert X and Honda Africa Twin deliver on the adventure promise, but in different ways. The Desert X is for riders who crave excitement and performance. It's lighter, more agile, and more aggressive. Every ride feels like an event. It encourages you to push harder, explore rougher trails, and enjoy the mechanical connection between rider and machine. It's a bike that blends Ducati's racing DNA with real off-road capability. The Africa Twin is for the explorer who values comfort, dependability, and endurance. It's a bike that feels easy to live with, no matter the distance. Whether it's a cross-country ride or a daily commute, the Africa Twin feels composed and ready. It may not have the Ducati's flair, but it has a reassuring stability that makes it one of the most trusted adventure bikes ever made. Choosing between them comes down to your priorities. If your adventure spirit leans toward off-road performance, the Desert X is the better companion. If your dream is to travel thousands of kilometers in comfort and reliability, the Africa Twin is unmatched. Both are exceptional motorcycles, built for riders who believe the journey is just as important as the destination.
If you enjoyed this comparison and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue creating in-depth reviews and real-world motorcycle comparisons. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell us which bike you choose for your next adventure, the Ducati Desert X or the Honda Africa Twin. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.